found that people who speak English sometimes fail to understand each other to perfection, and that is because they neglect to use punctuation mark when they speak. And that is why I have invented the phonetic punctuation, which means that while we speak, we will integrate punctuation marks by adding sounds to them, so that we can underline our sentences when we speak, as well as we do when we don't. I'll teach you how to use the system. It is very simple. A period sounds like this. A dash. An exclamation point is a vertical dash with a period underneath. A comma. Quotation are two commas. Or if you happen to be left-handed, question mark is rather difficult. Finally, the colon. That's all. I'm going to read a short story to you so you can hear how this system sounds when it is being used in kind of a hurry. In the open window there suddenly came light. Beautiful Elinor sat alone dreaming of but one thing. 2 years had passed since she met Sir Henry. She could still remember the unhappy evening when her father had thrown him out. They had been sitting in the park, and Henry had said, "Darling, is this the first time you have loved?" She had answered, "Yes." "But it is so wonderful that I hope it will not be the last." It's getting a little messy here. Suddenly she heard a well-known sound. It was he. In 2 strides he was near her, embraced, kissed, and caressed her. "Henry, what is love?" And he answered, "Well, I couldn't live without it."